Hello, friends. Have you ever found yourself staring at a perfect trade setup, hesitating to pull the trigger, and then watching the price move exactly as you expected, without you? Or maybe you've entered a trade, but instead of letting it play out, you keep second guessing yourself, adjusting stop losses, or even closing early out of fear. If that sounds familiar, then you're not alone. Overthinking is one of the biggest roadblocks traders face, and it can completely destroy your ability to make confident, profitable decisions. Today, we're going to break down exactly why traders overthink, how it leads to missed opportunities, and most importantly, how you can stop overanalyzing and start trading with clarity and confidence. If you've ever struggled with hesitation, fear, or constant second guessing, then stay with me, because this might just change the way you approach trading forever. And before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any valuable trading insights. Let's get started. Why do traders overthink? Overthinking in trading isn't just about hesitation. It's a mental battle that can cost you real money. Let's break down the key reasons why traders fall into this trap and how it stops them from making confident decisions. Hack 1. Fear of losing money. Let's be real. Nobody likes losing money. But here's the truth. Losses are a natural part of trading. Yet, many traders get stuck in hesitation because they're too afraid to take even a small loss. You see a strong setup, but instead of executing, you start questioning. What if it goes against me? Or should I wait for a better confirmation? By the time you decide, the opportunity is gone. The irony? Most profitable traders accept losses as part of the game, while overthinkers try so hard to avoid losses that they end up avoiding profits too. 2. Too much information. Analysis paralysis. How many times have you added an extra indicator, checked one more news update, or scrolled through social media just to confirm your trade idea? The more information you consume, the harder it becomes to make a decision. You keep searching for the perfect trade setup, one that has zero risk, full confirmation, and no doubts. But that setup doesn't exist. The result? You either never take the trade or enter too late when the best part of the move is already gone. Hack 3. Lack of confidence. Confidence in trading comes from experience and a solid strategy. But after a few back-to-back losses, even the best traders start questioning themselves. You wonder, is my strategy even working? What if I lose again? And suddenly, every trade feels like a gamble instead of a calculated decision. The problem isn't the strategy, it's the self-doubt. If you don't trust your own decisions, you'll hesitate, overanalyze, and miss the trades that could have worked in your favor. Hack 4. Trying to time the perfect entry. Many traders wait for the absolute best entry, the exact top or bottom of a move. But let's be honest, no one can predict the market with 100% accuracy. Even professional traders don't time their entries perfectly every time. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be consistent. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you'll either never enter or end up taking a bad trade just because you got tired of waiting. 5. Emotional attachment to trades. When you get too emotionally invested in a trade, every decision feels personal. You start thinking, this trade has to work, or I can't afford another loss. Instead of following your strategy, you let emotions take over, leading to hesitation, panic exits, or holding on to losing trades longer than you should. The market doesn't care about your emotions, but your emotions can definitely ruin your trading. How overthinking destroys your trading performance. Overthinking isn't just a mental struggle, it has real consequences that can hurt your trading results. Let's break down how excessive analysis and hesitation can turn a solid trading strategy into a frustrating, unprofitable experience. 1. Missed opportunities. One of the biggest ways overthinking ruins your trading is by causing hesitation. You see a strong trade setup, but instead of taking action, you start questioning yourself. Is this really the right entry? Or should I wait for more confirmation? And while you're overanalyzing, the market moves and the opportunity is gone. The worst part? When you finally decide to enter, the price has already moved too much, forcing you into a bad entry with higher risk and lower reward. 2. Overtrading, the other side of overthinking. While some traders hesitate too much, others react in the opposite way. They overtrade. After missing a few good setups, frustration kicks in, and you start taking impulsive trades just to make up for lost opportunities. You enter without proper setups, force trades that don't meet your criteria, and before you know it, you've placed way more trades than you planned, leading to unnecessary losses. Overtrading isn't about skill, it's about emotional reaction, and overthinkers often fall into this trap. Emotional stress, draining your mental energy. Constantly analyzing, doubting, and second-guessing yourself isn't just bad for trading, it's mentally exhausting. You spend hours watching the charts, overanalyzing every tick, and worrying about every trade. Instead of enjoying the process, trading becomes stressful, overwhelming, and emotionally draining. And when you're mentally exhausted, you start making more mistakes, leading to even more frustration. 4. Inconsistent execution, ruining your strategy. A great trading strategy only works if you execute it consistently. But when overthinking takes over, your execution becomes random. One moment, you follow your rules, and the next, you hesitate or adjust your plan based on fear. Sometimes you take profits too early. Other times you hold on to losing trades longer than you should. The result? Unpredictable performance, inconsistent results, and a lack of confidence in your own system. How to overcome overthinking in trading. Overthinking can turn trading into an emotional roller coaster. But the good news is that it's completely fixable. The key is to create structure, discipline, and trust in your process. Let's go over practical strategies to stop overanalyzing and start trading with confidence. 1. Follow a clear trading plan. A trading plan removes the need for last-minute decisions. Before you take a trade, you should already know your entry point, your stop loss, your profit target. When everything is predefined, you won't waste time second-guessing. A clear plan also prevents emotional trading, so you don't panic when the market moves unexpectedly. 2. Limit your information intake. Too much information is a trap. Watching every indicator, news update, or social media opinion will only create analysis paralysis. Instead, stick to 2 to 3 reliable indicators that align with your strategy and ignore the noise. Social media, in particular, can be dangerous. One trader's opinion shouldn't dictate your decisions. Trust your own analysis and block out distractions. 3. Trust your strategy. A big reason traders overthink is lack of confidence in their strategy. If you're always doubting your method, you'll hesitate or make impulsive changes. The solution? Backtesting. Test your strategy over historical data to see how it performs. If it has been consistently profitable over time, then trust it. Not every trade will be a winner, but sticking to a proven system is what leads to long-term success. 4. Set a time limit for decisions. Give yourself a deadline for making a trade decision. For example, if a setup meets your criteria, take action within 30 seconds. This prevents endless hesitation and forces you to commit. The market moves fast. Waiting for a perfect entry often means missing the move entirely. 5. Practice mindfulness and detachment. Many traders overthink because they treat every trade like a life-changing decision. But the truth is, it's just one trade out of hundreds you'll take in your journey. Instead of over-attaching to every trade, take regular breaks from the screen. Breathe and relax before making decisions. Remind yourself that no single trade defines your success. When you trade with a calm mind, you make better decisions and avoid emotional mistakes. 6. Use a trading journal. A trading journal helps you identify patterns in your overthinking. Before and after each trade, write down, what made you enter the trade? What doubts did you have? Did you follow your strategy? Over time, you'll see clear trends in your decision-making process. This allows you to correct bad habits and gain confidence in your approach. 7. Accept that losses are part of the game. Even the best traders in the world take losses. The difference? They accept losses as part of the process and don't let them shake their confidence. Instead of fearing losses, shift your mindset. Your goal isn't to win every trade, it's to follow your strategy consistently. Risk management matters more than a single trade outcome. As long as your risk-reward ratio is positive, losses won't stop your long-term success. Overthinking can silently sabotage your trading journey, but the power to overcome it lies in your hands. By following a clear plan, trusting your strategy, and detaching emotions from every trade, you can break free from hesitation and start making confident decisions. If this video helped you understand how to control overthinking in trading, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips to help you become a better trader.